Hello everyone, this is Karun here. Today I'm going to show you my Royal Enfield Wild Boar Silencer, the one which I have fitted on my Thunderbird 350. A few months back I went to Chandigarh and one of my friend told me about the Manimajra Market of Royal Enfield bikes. So I was not knowing about that Manimajra Market, and he suggested me to go there and change your silencer. And you won't believe guys, Manimajra Market is cheaper than Karol Bagh Market in Delhi. I got this silencer for 1800 rupees and the same silencer was costing me around 2400 rupees. So we can compare both the markets. But if you are a native of Chandigarh and you are planning to change your silencer, then I would suggest you to go to Manimajra Market rather than coming to New Delhi. And if you are a New Delhi people and if you are local to New Delhi, Karol Bagh is best option for you. But if you are planning to go to ride or if you are planning to go to Chandigarh or nearby places, and if you are then want to change your silencer, then I would suggest you to go to Manimajra Market. There are many silencers in the market like Royal Enfield Wild Boar, Glass Wool, Dolphin, Shark, Pataka, Dholki. So Manimajra is a bit cheaper than Karol Bagh, and it depends on person to person choice which type of silencer you would like to add on your bike. I preferably like thumpy and bassy sound. That's why I have fitted Wild Boar Silencer. So let me show you the exact sound and thump of Wild Boar Silencer. It gives awesome thump and sound. So just let me show you